Hi, Riley. Here's Riley Emma on Valentine's Day. It's Tuesday. And she's wide awake. Riley. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Hey, can you look at me again? Hey, Riley. Do we see your toes down here? Oh, there they are. There's your legs and your toes. Yeah. Hi. How are you? That's your hand. There you are. There's my sweet little girl. Hi, baby girl. See mommy? Hi. Hi, Riley. Oh. Hi, Riley. You're kind of half falling asleep, aren't you? You're just relaxing? All right. Oh. Will you talk a little bit? Yeah. You're usually talking all the time, aren't you? Yeah. Can you talk? Hi, Riley. Hey, sweetheart. Hi. I see you. Hi, baby girl.